Hello, culinary adventurers. It's Andy here, your passionate and dedicated culinary guide, thrilled to welcome you back to my channel for another episode of Mouth-Watering Wonders. Today, I've got a treat for you that's as effortless as it is exquisite, the ultimate cheesy egg and ground turkey dish. This recipe is a cornucopia of flavors, melding rich, robust ingredients into a meal that's guaranteed to delight your palate. And the best part, it's a breeze to prepare. So, don your apron and let's embark on a flavorful journey together. Let's get cooking. Firstly, I'll lightly grease the egg mold with a brush to ensure a non-stick experience. Next, I'll crack an egg into each mold, creating the base of our savory masterpiece. Following that, I'll sprinkle a pinch of freshly ground black pepper and a dash of salt for that perfect seasoning. Now it's time to add the ground turkey that I've prepared earlier, layering in more depth of flavor. After that, I'll scatter some marble Colby Jack cheddar cheese cubes over the ground turkey, setting the stage for melty goodness. Then, with a gentle touch, I'll flip them over, allowing the cheese to envelop the dish in its creamy embrace. Once flipped, I'll let it cook for about 1 more minute on medium heat, just until everything is perfectly melded together. And voila, my friends, we've created a delectable cheesy egg and ground turkey dish that can be savored in countless ways. Personally, I'm going to enjoy it wrapped in a simple zero-carb tortilla, but feel free to pair this with any side that tickles your fancy. Dive in and enjoy the symphony of flavors. I'd like to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for tuning into my videos. Your viewership means a lot to me. And please, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Your support is the lifeblood of this channel, driving its growth and vitality. By subscribing, you're not just becoming a part of our food-loving community, you're also fueling my ability to keep creating and sharing delicious recipes with all of you. Together, let's embark on this culinary journey. Explore exciting new flavors, and cook up unforgettable dishes. So without hesitation, hit subscribe, and let's cook together.